Like listen, when I'm gonna go to 2021 is to boss up, like just in general, like overall. Like when I have a good laptop, when I have a good phone. The only thing right now I have a good is the ring light what I use and my mic. Literally that's it. When I have a good video exporting system, when I have a good video uploading system, it's just but I have nothing basically. So when I do get a video, there's no say I worry about hills and valleys climb in order for me to get the video. Like sometimes I spend the whole night I try to record a 10-minute video. But anyways, that's not my problem and a full problem that we're gonna just try to finish off the video. Comedy already promised to say I'm gonna react to the Prince Swanny and the Skilly song. East side, not the girl named East side. So we are gonna definitely do that right now. Can't end the episode without actually doing that. So as I said in the previous clip though, I'm really proud of Skillibeng for opening up himself to the opportunity for doing a collaboration like this. A whole heap of time me will see like people from other countries doing dancehall, but you never, first of all, collaboration is not a popular thing in dancehall. Or recently I noticed people from different camps come together and support each other locally, which is really good, but it's not a thing for dancehall to have like a lot of collaborations, especially from like opposing fractions. But then that's if hip-hop stays or so. Who are we to talk? So I felt really good when I saw this collaboration between Skilly and Prince Swanny, and I'm just hoping that it is a trend being set for our other artists to realize that and them alone can go up on a track, number one, and I just them and them friend can go up on a track, number one, number two, and number three, them can do songs with other artists outside of hip-hop. Because it's almost as if you collab with another dancehall artist, the artist have to be like your good friend, otherwise they can't collaborate. And a music, a business, like a money you now make. You know this is good for Skillibeng career. Everybody over Trinidad, we never know Skillibeng, I know I'm gonna listen to that song here. And everybody locally, we never know Prince Swanny, I'm gonna now listen to Prince Swanny. So this is never bad for anybody involved. So I hope that other people in the industry see what that song you do and actually like, you know, go after it. Somebody know why my screen recorder now come up. Oh, it come up. Come here, wonder why my screen recorder. No one to be great. Like, how much things are gonna go wrong tonight? Angels, as I'm telling you, you know. As I'm telling you, some unseen forces out there trying to not let me be great, yeah? And that they're telling me. But it shall not happen. It's 2021. This is the year for me to boss up. I'm telling you from now, if you don't want to boss up this year, that's a full business. But anyway, it's about coming up. Any nook and cranny, you know, anybody will have to get left by the wayside in order for EarthAngel naturally boss up, and that's about what I'm sorry for some people. I could listen to Skillibeng Bad Everyday because I feel like I need for bad every day for 2021 because 2020 really played me like a fool.
Oh my God! Wow!
And it shall not continue. So let's get this song. The Prodigy, Skillibeng. The Prodigy and Skillibeng new project. Oh, mixtape. Oh God, so we have to go check that out. This is my favorite part. I love that. When you hear that? When you hear that? When you hear that? And you would have to actually hear all and note them properly in order for it sound. So I'm not care what kind of mixing God you be, the person, the artist would have had to actually hold that note in order for you the way you need to do it after. So still big ups to Prince Swanny for that. When you hear that again, listen to that. Love it. Why Prince Swanny have to do the first part of the song? Oh God, my I'm cool. Me tell this I'm sick though. But I don't know why Prince Swanny have to do the first part of the song, so bad so? Bad so? impressive. Man, I like. Come Skilly, take it away. Take it away. Every day. Anyway. Oh, and all of the new artists them, where I try to sound like Skillibeng or Retical, with people know. You see me? So just stop. If nobody never tell them, just stop. Find your own flow, find your own character and personality and work with it. You don't need to come mimic somebody else on these things. I don't know who that's for, but whoever the cap fit that them wear to the stamp. So people all on. This, yo, me don't know who idea was this. Me don't know who idea was this. For kind of drop the beat a little bit and drop him voice and make it sound. Me don't know if there's a musical term for this, but make him sound like him underwater a little bit. Me don't know who idea that was to put it right there so before Prince Swanny come back in. Magical. Magical. Whoever idea that was. Lovely. Me let him ever hear that type of like breakdown there in a dancehall track before like this, cause this is like one bad man song, like the man I tell you saying, well this man clear face anyway. This is another soft song. And if you hear that breakdown there, it give me a vibe like man I listen to dancehall. Like, I don't know, but whoever idea that was, amazing. Love it. Yeah. You know, someone just realized say at the Skillibeng in that picture here. But I think I did just the Prodigy, Skill Tape, and the Smoke. But never see say him in the picture too. The smoke clear face everywhere. It's alive. Prince Swanny was so good on this track. Like, I never know me need a Prince Swanny and Skilly collaboration until me get it. My God. No, Prince Swanny can't bad one more time. No, Prince Swanny can't bad one more time. People, I'm telling you, I already said I actually hear that song here, get so excited to the point I'm gonna tell people to go listen to the song. I don't normally do that. I don't normally like promote dancehall like that if I don't love the quality of the music. Like, me not one of them person who just gonna post a man song just because I'm trying to look at hype. No, darling, if your song is so good, I'm not gonna tell nobody about it. And then what are people I'm gonna tell about that song again? I lose count. No man, this well put together. Like the two of them shining at them own way. Like me get Prince Swanny vibe on the track here, and me still get Skilly vibe. That's how we call like good creative work. Like, you know, I open and learn, you know. I open and learn. Open and learn. Even some of the bigger man them in their business, only can learn from this. I too young youth in a dancer, but only can learn. Only can learn. I'm dead. Eastside, Bad Everyday. This man clear face anyway. Am I lying that? That's my go-to for 2020. This man clear face anywhere. But stop playing with people. But stop playing nice. Nice girls go nowhere. You know what this give me? The sound done. Alright, you know what this give me, angels? This give me classy bad girl vibes. I'm not telling a lie. You see the Shensia song I did react to Bad Anyway. Bad Anyway that name? I think of Bad Anyway. I don't remember, but I did react to it. I see that song there. That song there are the same like this. It give me a nice bossed up bad girl vibes. Like my bad, I'm all day things, but I'm gonna do it classy, like I'm gonna wear a suit, I'm gonna pull up in a one SUV Audi, and one SUV, I don't know, something, Lambo, one Lambo truck or something, and I'm gonna pull up and I'm gonna have an easy, I'm gonna have on my suit, and then I'm gonna shoot you. I can set up on YouTube, I'm not sure, but I'm gonna do things. And then we're gonna just go back in my alley. Like them kind of classy, but listen to me, we need to go check out the Prodigy, Skill Tape by Skillibeng, and also check out Skillibeng Bad Everyday featuring Swanny Bad. Alright angels, so we have come to the end of yet another great episode of the session. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did filming it. Leave your comments in the comment section down below. Remember guys, to comment Dancehall Global and hit the like button so that you are selected for the post notification shout out in the next episode. And remember also to comment some more music around the Caribbean that you want me to react to. Remember guys, 2021 is all about making dancehall global, and if you never know say dancehall are the global, then you're gonna know upon the session. So comment down below what songs you'd like me to check out. I don't care how old it is. You see that I reacted to a song from 2019 a while ago, so trust me, the date no matter. Comment it down below, and remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Road to 1,000 subscribers. But can't believe I said that. Yes angels, but help me get to 1,000 subscribers. We're almost halfway there, so hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and share this video with your friends. Tell your mother, your father, your grandfather, your uncle, your sister, your brother, where they know that today I can't tell birthday. Tell them to follow that show here, because we'll talk about all things dancehall. Alright angels, until next time, walk good. All the beautiful people out there in the world. Bye angels.